Hello students, today we are going to start a new chapter, work and energy. There is a difference in the way we use the term work in day to day and the way we use it in science. In everyday activity, the term work is used equally for mental work and for physical work. Let us take some example. Reading a book, solving math problem, holding a weight without moving, trying to move a huge rock which is not moving from its place. You might be thinking that these are the work, but in our science, we don't consider it as work. So in all these cases, no work is being done. You might be thinking reading a book is not a work, solving a math problem is not a work, holding a weight without moving is not a work, trying to move a huge rock is not a work. Although you can see you in our day-to-day life, you consider them as a work, but in our physics, we don't consider it as a work. Now let us see the scientific conception of the work. Now let us take certain example to understand the scientific conception of work. The first example, when a box is pushed on a floor by applying a force and it moves through a certain distance. Second example, when a trolley is pulled by applying a force, it moves through some distance. Third example is when we lift a box through height, we have to apply some force. Now in the first example, when we are applying a force on an object, it moves through a certain distance. The second, when a trolley, when we are going in the big bazaar, we apply a force on a trolley or we pull a trolley, a force is applied and it moves certain distance. Then third is example, when you lift a box from the ground and through a certain height, then we have to apply the force. In all the three cases, there are the two common things that we are applying a force and the object is traveling through certain distance or displacement is there. So whenever a work is done, these two things are necessary. That is, a force is to be applied on the object and the object will displace to a certain distance. Now we will take the definition of work. Now let us define the work. The work done by the force is equal to the product of the force and displacement. What is work? Work is nothing but it is the product of force and its displacement. Now let us take an object here. A force is applied on this object in this direction. So it is displaced from this place to this place and the displacement bs. Then the work done on this object by the constant force F will be given by work done is equals to force into displacement. The work done is denoted by W, force is denoted by F and displacement denoted by S. So the work done is nothing but it is the product of force and displacement in the direction of force. Now the SI unit of work is Newton meter or joule. Now if you want to define what is 1 joule, 1 joule will be the amount of work done when 1 Newton force is applied and the displacement of the object is 1 meter. So 1 joule is the amount of work done when 1 Newton force is applied on an object and it moves a distance of 1 meter in the direction of force. And the work done is a scalar quantity. Now let us solve the one numerical based on work. A force of 5 Newton is acting on an object. The object is displaced through a 2 meter in the direction of force. What is the work done? Now let's see what is given in the question. A force of 5 Newton is acting. So F is equals to 5 Newton acting on the object. The object is displaced through 2 meters. So displacement is 2 meter and we have to find what is the work done. So work done, we know that the work done is equals to force into displacement. So force is given 5 Newton and displacement is 2 meter. So work done is equals to 10 and the unit of work done is 10 joule. So the work done on the object when 5 Newton force is applied and it is displaced 2 meter is 10 joule. Now let us solve one more numerical on work. A pair of bullocks exert a force of 140 Newton on a plow. The field being plowed is 15 meter long, how much work is done in plowing the length of the field? Now in this question it is given that the force applied by the bullocks is 140 Newton and the length of the field which is being plowed is 15 meter, and we have to find how much work is done in plowing the length of the field. We know the formula that work done is equals to force into displacement. The work done is equals to force into displacement. So force is 140 Newton and the displacement is 15 meter. So when we multiply this, we'll get 2100 joule. So the amount of work done is 2100 joule in plowing the length of the field.